Welcome back, students. In this class we continue statistics chapter 13 exercise 13.2. Here the first question is, the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in the hospital during a year. So age is given and number of patients is given, that is 5 to 15. Number of patients, the age will be around 6 years. So find and the full question is, find the mode and the mean of the data given above, compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So we'll see how to solve the problem. Here, so maximum class interval, first we have to take this one, 35 to 45. So this one we block this, so maximum class interval is 35 to 45. Then this will be F1 and this will be F1. Then above will be, this one is F0 and this will be F2. So this is how to take the value. So this is called mode. So this one is called, I'll just write here, mode. This class interval has mode, that is 23. So after this, next part is mode. So first step we have to write the maximum class interval. The maximum class interval is 35 to 45. This class interval, has mode so here L is taken as 35, that is starting of the interval. Then F1 write down 23 and F0 21 and F2 is 14 and H, that is the difference, 35 to 45 is H is equal to 10. Now we have to calculate the mode. Mode is equal to L plus is the formula, then F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F2 F0, F2 is the formula, into H. Now substitute the values. L is 35 plus 23 minus F1 minus F2 is 21 by 46 minus 21 minus 14 into how much? 2 into 35 plus 2 into this whole thing into 10. 10 is H. So finally we get, after simplification, mode is equal to 36.8 years. So this is to calculate mode. Then we move on to calculate the mean. Mean. So once again we have to write down the table because the values are there. Just briefly I'll just write 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 25 to 35, then 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, then 55 to 65. Okay, year 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So this is class interval and this is the age of the each patient is the age given. Next we'll calculate the midpoint. So class number, there is number of patients, so we'll just write number of patients, then this is age, and then midpoint. Midpoint is what? Xi. So what is the midpoint between 5 and 15? Will be 10. Then 15 to 25 is 20. Again same things, 25 to 35, 30. 35 to 45 is 40. Then 45 to 55 is 50. Then 55 to 65 is 60. So adding all these, we'll get n is equal to 80. So 6 plus 11 plus 21 plus 23 plus 14 plus 5. N is equal to n is equal to 80. After this, next is ui is equal to xi minus e by h. So that is, now last is fi into ui. So ui is set of values so here first set is ui is equal to xi minus a by h. Therefore here this one we took that is in the previous problem. Now that is for calculating mode. Now we are taking 30 as L. 30 as L. In this you have to take 30 as L. Now remaining xi is 10 minus what is a. So a is this one a. Sorry, this is a. Taking your midpoint, that is a. A is 30. Xi is 10. 30 in my h is how much? 10. Yeah. H is 10. Simplify, we'll get minus 2. Similarly, second set of values is 20 minus same thing 30 by 10. which is equal to -1. Third set of values, that is 30 minus 30 by 10, which is equal to 0. Then fourth set of values, 40 minus 30 by 10 is equal to 1. Then fifth set of values, 50 minus 30 by 10 is equal to 2. Sixth set of value, 60 minus 30 by 10, which is 3. Substitute all the values here. That is how much we get: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then multiply these two. That is Fi and Ui. Sorry, Fi into Ui. That is these two. These two multiply. 6 into 12 is 6 into 2 is 12. -11, 0, 23. 14 into 2, 28. 5 3 is a 15. This completes the table. Then summation is summing -12 plus -11 plus 0 plus 23 plus 28 plus 15 will be equal to 43. That is summation of Fi Ui, 43. Here A is equal to 30, H is equal to 10, N is equal to 80. Now by step deviation method, x bar is equal to a plus h into 1 by n into summation of Fi Ui. Substitute the values. A is 30 plus h is 10 into 1 by 80 n into summation 43. Simplify all this, we will get 30.7. Therefore, mode we got is equal to 36.8 and mean is 35.37. So finally, the age group 36.6 patients are admitted, more in numbers. Therefore, finally, age group conclusion is age group of 38.6 patients are admitted, more in numbers. So next is mean age group, patients are 35.57. This is the solution for the problem 1 in the exercise 13.2. If you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.